I'm at 240 Commonwealth Avenue, and we're going to take a look at the furnished two-bedroom apartment. So it's on the second floor. It's only one flight up from the lobby, which is right there. So you take a staircase up one flight, and this is the entrance into the apartment. So as you walk in, there is a half a bath to the right, master bedroom, some closet space on the left in the hallway, and here's the living room. So we'll start with the living room, and that's the second bedroom. It's a very large front-facing apartment, really beautiful detail, decorative fireplace, and again, it's fully furnished. Really high ceilings, and you have floor-to-ceiling windows with really great views. That's an intersection of Commonwealth Avenue and Fairfield Street, and Fairfield is one way going that way towards the river, so you actually don't have headlights beaming into the apartment. Really great storage. There are built-ins. You have some storage over here, some more over there behind the door, and the kitchen. This is a gas stove, and it has a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, it has all the plates, silverware, toaster, everything comes with the apartment. This is the second bedroom. It has two twin-size beds. It's great for guests. There's a desk. And this opens up, so if you wanted, you can open up this shade and have it look out onto the living room. And same with that window. And that's the master. So before we get to the master, you have this pocket door. You can close it. I'm not gonna close it all the way, but you can actually close off the living room from the entrance. It's one of the options. And there is some storage in the hallway. There's this closet. Some more storage in here, coat closet. It's a little dark right now, but. And here's the master. This is a queen size bed. And again, really beautiful detail throughout the room, throughout the apartment. You have built-ins, decorative fireplace. There's the master bath. AC is installed and taken out by the management every year. And these windows, you don't really get a view from here, but it's facing the alley between Newbury Street and Commonwealth Avenue. And you have two really large closets in the master bedroom. Cedar closets, great storage. Closet 1 and closet 2. Excellent storage. And here's the master bathroom. I'll open this. tub with a shower. And it comes with all the linens, the towels, bed sheets. And here's the half a bath right by the front door, the entrance. And I'll show you the way to the front door. So when you walk down the stairs, this is the lobby. And this is the entrance. And here we are, 240 Comm Ave.